Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS S3 static website hosting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate AWS S3 static website hosting, first, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service under the Storage section. Click on the Create Bucket button. Enter a unique name for your bucket. Select the appropriate AWS region for your bucket. Uncheck the Block All Public Access option to allow public access to your website. Acknowledge the warning about public access. Click on the Create Bucket button to finish creating your bucket. Once created, click on your bucket name to open the bucket properties. Navigate to the Properties tab. Scroll down to find the Static Website Hosting section. Select the option that says Use this bucket to host a website. Enter index.html as the index document. Optionally, you can specify an error document like error.html. Click the Save Changes button to apply the static website settings. Now, go to the Permissions tab. Click on Bucket Policy to configure permissions for your bucket. Enter a policy that allows public read access, such as the following JSON. Version, October 17, 2012, statement, effect, allow, principal, asterisk, action, S3 get object, resource, AWS S3 your bucket name / asterisk. Make sure to replace your bucket name with the Click on Save to apply the bucket policy. Now, upload your static website files to the bucket. Click the Upload button and drag your files into the Upload dialog. Make sure to upload your index.html file and any other necessary files. Once the upload is complete, go back to the Properties tab. In the Static Website Hosting section, note down the endpoint URL provided. This URL is your static website's address. You can now visit your website using the endpoint URL. Make sure to test your website to see if everything works as expected. You have successfully activated AWS S3 static website hosting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.